everyone. Today we're going to start in our new chapter, which is called laboratory. This chapter is most of it is memorized, so I'm going to check with you the important point with it. Here's in the lab we talk about the chemical material like acetic acid, scald vinegar, and its weak acid, and is have a precipitable odor. This one maybe gonna ask you about the ammonia, which is weak base, as you know. The bleach is consists of an ACOL. Fertilizer, you have to know it's contain NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Limestone, which is CaCO3, react with acid because we consider it as a weak base. And also is the example of it is gonna react with acid rain. Okay. Antacids, weak bases, neutralize the stomach, excess acid. Ordinary gas is SiO2. Now, chemical to be remembered like CO2 gas, produced from complete combustion, as we know, and cause greenhouse effect. If he asks you about the greenhouse effect, you have to answer him CO2. CO is poisonous gas produced from incomplete combustion. CH4 is a neutral gas, natural gas. It causes greenhouse effect also, and it's insoluble in water because it's not polar. H2S is a weak acid. When dissolved in water, it has unplaced odor. Freon, which is chlorofluorocarbon. Example, those compounds, they destroy the ozone layer, which protect from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. Ozone O3 is protect the ultraviolet radiation to come in the earth. Sulfur, SO2, SO3, and nitrogen oxide, they contribute to smoke and acid rain. Hydrogen peroxide is oxidizing agent that can use antiseptic to kill bacteria. The presence of Mg and Ca ions in the water cause water to be hardness. We call it tap water, the water we drink it. Alloy is a mixture of metal, or non-metal sometimes, like brass, steel, bronze, and brass. All of them we call it alloy. You have to know that the steel, iron, and carbon, bronze, copper, and tungsten, copper, and zinc, the last one. Hydrates are compounds with water molecules in their crystals. Hydride is the compound from the reaction between hydrogen and metal. So you have to know the difference between hydrides and hydrate. Hydrate, a compound with water molecules. Hydride is produced when metal react with hydrogen. Now here, remember you over here about the hydrocarbon. We're going to talk about it in the next chapter. Organic compound contain only carbon and hydrogen. We have alkane, alkene, alkyne, and atomic cycle, aromatic cycle, hydrocarbon, benzene. Carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The ratio of it is 2 to 1. Greenhouse gases, they cause to increase in earth temperature, absorbing the infrared radiation from the sun, example like CO2 and 2O, and the water freon. Dry ice is a solid like CO2 and found in the atmosphere. CCl4 and C8H8 is nonpolar liquids, are nonpolar